Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Option Bull. And currently it's 10:04 a.m. and market is still running. So for shorter note, I'm on selling side and I'm looking for sorting call option at 23,700. So I see a higher price rejection at the trend line, upper trend line. So my point for shorting is going to be proved right here. I'm just waiting for the price action to confirm that it is going to be a negative or the trend will be downward today or whatever it is. So we'll be looking for shorting today. So as you can see, I have already sorted two lots of 23,700 strike price call option at 46.7, and if you see, currently we are seeing rejection from both sides. First, it rejected the upper price levels, and next time it rejected the lower price and creating a bullish candle. Let's see what happens. Once it breaks upward, then the probability of us to hit the stop loss will be higher. In this trade, I will take around 600 to 700 stop SL. So currently it's in negative, so we are going to place our SL. So for SL, I have thought to place around, as you can see, 58, 58, 59. Okay, 59.2. Okay, so we are placing our stop loss at 59.2, and total loss will be around 6 to 700. That's it. Now let's place the order. So let's see what happens. So guys, as you can see, we have hit our stop loss today, and to analyze the trade, let's go to the Zerodha. So today we took a trade in Bank Nifty call shorting. We shorted two lots in Bank Nifty actually at a strike price of 23,700, and we entered at price of 46.7, and we booked the stop loss at 55.55. But that's okay. We have made loss around 500, including the brokerage and other taxes. This happens, so we are not worried about our losses, as we keep on saying the same thing. We If we make a loss, we'll make a 1 rupee loss, and if we make money, we'll make sure we make around 3 to 4 rupee profit in a trade. This is how we'll be profitable in a long term. So if you see, so I had around 61,200 capital in the morning, and we have lost around 500 today. So that's not a huge amount to lose. So currently, if you see, uh, the market is not behaving very well today. So if we get three price reaction on the upper levels here at this as these candles, so I will pretty much sure that we are getting sellers intervention, and we will get a shorting opportunity here. So let's see what price action is forming here. If you see on the charts, we can clearly see there is a very bullish upward candle is forming here. So I think my trade setup has already failed here, and now let's check for the other stocks as well. So I was watching, not actually watching the Reliance, I just placed it here to check the Nifty price level. So I saw that Reliance is falling, and also the Nifty is falling at same pace. I have selected these stocks for today, and if you see, ITC has given a huge gap up opening, and after that it filled the gap between the opening and the previous low. And if it has to take a upward journey, it will have to take from here only. If it falls from here, I'm not interested to buy in this stock. If you see, ITC has formed a very good triangle pattern, descending triangle pattern, and if it gives a breakout here, I will plan to buy here. But currently it's below the price support area, which I was not expecting it to break again. But it happens. So let's move to the next stock. The next stock was DMart. It's actually moving way ahead of our prices, so we will not consider this stock. Let's move to the next. So next is M&M, which I was planning to buy a call option here for M&M, but as today was monthly expiry, I thought it might be a bad idea to actually buy a call option at a monthly expiry. So I dropped my idea, and as you can see, it followed my price actions here. It gave the breakout, take the retracement, and again it took the upward move as we speak of. So this is the best trading setup we work on. So if you see, so as I was speaking, so if you look at the Mahindra and Mahindra stock at hourly charts, you can clearly see it was giving a very good trading setup here. So if you see, it gave a huge move here, and after that you can clearly see it started to cooling off here, and made a descending triangle pattern here, and after that it give a breakout here, very bullish breakout here, and after that we will not enter at this price level, as we always speak. We will wait for a complete retracement, and after that, if you see one thing which I want to let you know, after, if you see 1 hour charts, you can see it formed 3 continuous red candles, and after that it formed a green candle which shows that from here it can bounce up. You can clearly see it so two lower price reaction from this on this point. So I would rather prefer to buy at this candle, and from this price level see what happens. It jumped to even a higher levels, and we could have booked a very good profit in this trade, but never mind. We will keep on making profit from our trading setups. You don't have to worry about if you miss some trades. So let's move to the next stop. So today I selected ICTC only because from the previous chart behavior. So in previous chart behavior, ICTC gave a huge upward movement. Then again in the morning it gave again a huge movement. So I thought if it has given a huge movement in the previous day, I was expecting it can give another huge movement for today as well. So I kept the stock for today as well, but it is consolidating at a given fixed price, and it is getting rejected at the higher level. If you see here, it is getting rejected from the same price level. So it is concerning factor here, so we will not take trade right now. And now in Adani port, something suspicious is happening here. So if you look at the charts, it gave a huge move here. Oh, sorry for the mistake, let me correct it. Okay, so after a huge move here, it started going downward, and after taking a retracement, it again trying to go even down. I don't think this is good or not, but now the stock is looking bearish right now, so I am not going to consider it to buying for a while. Let's move to the next stock, which is the Tata Motors, which is you can clearly see after our important resistance level which it broke. If you see in here, it made a continuous upward movement, then take a retracement, and again it break the resistance with a very powerful candles here. So I think it's a very good sign for the Tata Motors. But even if the Tata Motors has to go even higher, it should take a retracement to previous point. So if you see, on previous day I was expecting the Infi to give a break down, but it actually opened gap up, and it tried to sustain the higher level, and after that it took a U-shaped recovery from here. And after the recovery, it is today falling at a slow pace, and currently it is holding above this trend line. And if it is so, we will buy again if it shows the upward movement from this trend line, and we will be buying this stock very soon. If it so currently, if you see closely at let's move to the half hour chart. So currently we can see here, so price is halting here, and if it once break this high here, we can consider it to buy in this trade and place a stop loss below this. And in TCS, you can clearly see it actually first gave the breakdown, and after that regained the support level and gave a very sharp upward move, and after that it is retracing again. Let's come back to the 1 hour chart. So currently it's showing a lower price reaction from this point here. So I think we can find a very good buying opportunity here, but today, as we know, it is a monthly expiry day, so I'm not considering to take any risk for positional trades in positional trades. So I will consider to buy any option for from tomorrow. So this is it for today, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also please subscribe to this channel to show your support to this channel, and I will be really glad if you show your support. So see you next time.